In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create drop-down menus that simulate the drop-down menus in the STAR tests. So I'm in numbers right here, and normally numbers looks like this. And so what I've done is I've just clicked this circle and delete, and now I have a blank document. And what I've done is just pasted a text box right here, so you can see this is just a text box. Now I'm wanting to build a drop-down menu over this blank right here. So what I'm going to do is press the plus button, and then right here on the cells, I'm just going to choose a blank one. Now I don't need all the cells, so what I'm going to do is grab the two lines, drag to one column, down here drag to one row, and then when I tap right here, I'm going to get the option to hide table name. So now I have just a floating box. So what I can do is resize this and just move it over the blank that I have right here. So now this is a blank cell ready to go. So now I need to format this blank cell. So I'm going to click the cell, click the paintbrush, and then over here on the options, you're going to choose Format, Pop-up Menu, and you're going to click the I next to Pop-up Menu. Now I can decide which items I'm going to list in this dropdown. Now one thing I want to make sure that you turn on is initial value. We're going to choose this as blank. That way the students do not see an answer yet until they click this pop down. So now I need to choose some answers, so I'm going to just type in here wrong answer. Of course you're going to write some answers that seem like they could be correct instead of just the words wrong answer. And then on one of the items you're going to want to make sure that you put the correct answer. So I'm going to type in Selective Service Act. And maybe I want one more, so I'm going to go ahead and add wrong answer. And then when I click away, this now is a drop-down menu that has wrong answers and my correct answer was, so when the student selects that, and now it's going to fill in that correct answer. Now if you want to, you can come back in this, in your cell, you can change the font size, things of that nature, color, if you want to modify it a little bit. But as you can see right now, I've added this drop-down menu right here. And then if I needed to do another one, I could either start fresh or I can copy this, come over here and paste it. And then when I go into the cell format, the I next to it, I can change the answers to what I need them to be instead of having to start fresh. So I hope this quick tip is helpful on how to turn numbers into a sample STAR question bank.